In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for day-to-day project management. We'll be focusing on the essential steps to get you started effectively with this platform, making your project management tasks simpler and more organized. First, let's open Monday.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, the next step you'll want to take is to click on the Login button. It's typically featured prominently on the homepage, making it easy to access. If you are logging in for the first time, you'll see an option to log in using your Google account. Go ahead and choose your account from the list of options. This way, logging in becomes seamless, especially if you're already signed into Google on your device. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled More. Clicking on this will expand a menu with more features and options. From here, look for and click on Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of possibilities, offering various templates that fit different project management needs. With the Template Center open, you'll want to navigate to Project Management. This section contains templates specifically designed to streamline your project management workflow. There's a wide selection available, so feel free to browse through. For educational purposes, we'll start from scratch. Click on Start from Scratch. Yes, that's right. Let's click it again to confirm. Starting fresh allows you the flexibility to tailor every aspect to your needs later on. Now, after choosing to start from scratch, the option Use Template will appear. Clicking on it will apply this blank slate to your workspace. The first thing you want to do in your new workspace is to rename the group names. These group names should represent the different stages or segments of your project. Naming them appropriately helps you visualize the progression and organize tasks within the right context. Next, it's time to add columns to your stages. These columns are vital as they hold various bits of information or tasks relevant to each stage. For instance, you could add columns for task status, priority, timelines, or assigned personnel. And remember, you can always customize these fields based on what fits your specific project needs best. As an additional tip, one handy feature Monday.com offers is the ability to interact further with items through a drop-down menu found on each tab. This allows you to add or even view sub-items related to your main tasks, offering a more detailed breakdown and easier tracking of every project's moving parts. With these steps, you're all set to manage your projects more effectively using Monday.com. Feel free to experiment and adjust settings as needed to suit your workflow and explore all that Monday.com has to offer. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy project managing.